Hey, my cookies. I have got to share this CIROC apple flavored Jolly Rancher slushy. This is another slushy. You all, look at this beautiful color of this apple CIROC. It is delicious. I want you to see the color on here. You all, this is easily one of my favorites now. It's so good. You want to know how we made this? Yes. Okay, come on. Let's go make this. All right, it's a little late, but I wanted to get started with this. This is going to be so good. Look at this. This is apple flavored CIROC. Apple Jolly Ranchers. Oh my goodness. So I have already started taking them out of the little cases. And what I'm going to do is pour half of this out and then put these inside of the CIROC bottle and then place this in the freezer. So let me see if I have enough right now. If not, I'm going to keep on peeling. You know, I don't like to waste your time. So let me get a measuring cup and get started. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead. Measuring cup is in the dishwasher, so I'm going to have to use this. I'm going to pour, let's see about that might be good. I'll go ahead and start just to where it says apple. So I'm gonna start putting these in here. Ooh. You know what? I ended up pouring a little more out because I want more of that candy flavor, because this vodka is really, really strong. So now I'm gonna crush the Jolly Ranchers. So hold your ears. It's gonna be a little loud. Hold on. All right, that's all. I'm sorry if it's too loud. All right, now I'm gonna put, oh, it smells good, you all. I'm gonna add this mixture. Ooh, this smells so good. Now this is gonna be the thing. I'm gonna get it in here. Should have bought the bigger bottle. Ooh, this is gonna be, I know what I can do. I'm gonna get the funnel. I'll be right back. I got the funnel. So I'm gonna add the mixture to our bottle. You can see it dropping in there. Now, here's a bit of advice. You all, if you're gonna try this, I had to get a straw. Get the larger size CIROC. Don't get this size. This is the smaller size. This is 7.5. But look how beautiful those green crystals. Look at that, you all. Now, I'm gonna top it off and put some of this in here. Top it off and fill it up as much as I can. And I'll just save the rest as we get into this. I'm gonna leave a little bit so I can shake it. Then I'm gonna put the top on it. Look how pretty that is, you all. Jolly Rancher orange. All right, now this is gonna go into the freezer overnight. And tomorrow after I get off work, we'll see what it looks like. All right, my friends, happy Thursdays. All right, I'll be back. Stay tuned and show you. Wow, look at this. It's been in the freezer. I actually had it in the freezer. Look at how beautiful the color is.
Okay, thank you.
I have actually had this in the freezer now for two days. Look how pretty it is. Now, let me see something. Hold on. You're going to need something to chop your Jolly Ranchers up into little pieces. All right. Now, I'm going to pour this. Now, you all, I decided to add some lime soda to this because it's so strong. Let's go ahead and pour some of this in here. Ooh, it's almost like a syrup. Look, take a look at that. It smells just like Jolly Ranchers. Pour some of this in here. This is a lemon lime soda. And there you go. Let's see how it tastes. It's delicious. Let me make this beautiful for you. And I'll be right back. Happy Thirsty Thursdays, my cookies. I'll see you soon. So good. It's delicious.